Today I'm going to be resetting the Wyze Camera back to factory default settings. This will work on version 1 through version 3. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to flip the Wyze Camera over so I can see the bottom of the camera. And the first thing I'm going to do is take my SD card out. Now if you're keeping your Wyze Camera, then you don't need to do this. Next, we're going to hold the button down for at least 1 second. The instructions say 10, but 1 will work. And then I'm going to let go of it. And now we're all done with the camera. So next, we're going to open up our Wyze app, tap on the camera, and then we're going to tap on the settings gear icon in the top right. Then we're going to scroll down and delete the device. And it says, are you sure you want to delete the device? And I'm going to tap yes. And that's it. You can either go back and install it again or just do whatever with the camera. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.